I want you to imagine this. You're holding a digital dollar. It says $1 on the screen. It feels like cash and it spends like real cash. But here's the question that keeps most skeptics awake at night. What's holding that dollar up? Because not all stablecoins are created equal. Some are backed by real cash, others by crypto, some by code, and others by gold. Let's open the doors and see what's really behind the curtains. Door number one, the fiat-backed. The simplest, the most traditional, and to many people, the most trustworthy. Now, how do these work? So here's how they work. A company takes 1 million real dollars, puts it in a real bank account, and then issues out 1 million digital tokens. Each token is a real receipt for the physical dollar. You can always, in theory, trade back your tokens for the real thing. It's the gold standard of stablecoins. But remember what we said about trust. With stablecoins, you're trusting that the vault is as full as the owner's claim. No audit, no transparency. That simple promise begins to look a little bit complicated. Door number two, the crypto-backed. This is the purist's choice. Fully decentralized, no banks, no corporate CEOs, just code, math, and collateral. But here's the catch. Ethereum can crash 50% in a single afternoon. So to protect the system, you don't borrow $1 for $1. You lock up $150 of crypto to get just $100 of stablecoin. That extra 50% is your cushion, your safety net against your crypto roller coaster. And the platform is decentralized. No one can freeze your funds. No one can shut it down. But if your collateral drops too low, the system will automatically sell your crypto to protect the stablecoin. And you're left holding the bag. This is the price of independence. Higher risk, higher complexity. But for those who believe in the crypto ethos, it's the only door worth walking through. Door number three, algorithmic. No collateral, no vote, no gold. Just lines of code acting as a robot central bank. If the price falls, the code burns coins, destroys them to create scarcity, and raise the price. If the price rises, it prints more coins to increase supply and lower it. The algorithm is constantly adjusting, like a thermostat for money. Beautiful, isn't it? Until it isn't. When everyone loses faith at the same time, the robot can't keep up. The algorithm falters, and history has shown that when the robot central bank fails, it doesn't just stumble, it crashes to zero. It's the most elegant idea in theory and the most catastrophic in practice. The algorithm has no ego, no emotion, it doesn't panic. But it also doesn't have a backup plan. And when the herd stampedes, the robot doesn't stand a chance. And door number four, commodity-backed, the oldest store of value, now wrapped in the newest technology. These stablecoins are pegged to physical goods, gold, silver, even oil. It allows regular people to invest in precious metals without storing heavy, expensive bars in their homes. It democratizes access to the oldest wealth on earth. One token equals a fraction of 1 ounce of real physical gold. You don't have to buy $1 million bar. You can buy a digital silver. The value is tied to the commodity's market price. It moves with the market. It feels like the ancient world meeting the future. 4 doors, 4 visions, 4 very different ways of holding up a dollar. Fiat-backed is simple, but demands trust. Crypto-backed is independent, but demands collateral. Algorithmic is elegant, but demands perfect conditions. Commodity-backed is timeless, but demands market stability. There's no perfect answer, no single right choice. The stablecoin that works for you depends on what you value most: trust, decentralization, innovation, or tangibility. Knowledge is power, and now you know how they work. You know what props them up and what could bring them down. Before you choose your DAO, let me be clear. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The crypto market is volatile, unpredictable, and unforgiving. Always do your own research before investing. No video, no script, no storyteller can replace your own due diligence. Stablecoins are the bridge to the future, but bridges can be built from many materials: stone, steel, cord, gold. Your job is to know what you're working on. The future of money is here. It's not one thing, it's four. And you're the one holding the keys.